Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. So today, as promised, I'm going to review this Panasonic what's the name? DH-3VS1 electric home shower. And so this is a non-jet pump version. I got it at 309 ringgit. Yeah, and this comes with the 3-mode shower head and adjustable height for the shower head. Yeah, so I've been using this for like about 2 weeks now, and my previous unit was Electrolux, which broke down, and the technician said the PCB is dead, and the whole entire replacement cost is more than buying a new unit. So I'm just gonna buy this one, and yeah, this comes with 1 year's warranty. So what are my thoughts on this? So first off is I like the design. It's all white. Well, of course, during the installation, the installer had to drill different holes because the electrode ones doesn't fit this unit. So bear in mind that. And then, yeah, one thing to note is this click sound is very soft. It's not that obvious, but it's usable. But I like the knob design. If the switch does feel smooth. And yeah, as you can see, there's a bit of a blue accent inside there. Not sure what's the design choice. Yeah, and so you have to like open this entire front housing and then drill holes and then lock it in and then put this case back and then screw this hole here. Screw this here to lock the front case, white case here. It's only available in white, by the way. Yeah, but one thing I immediately noticed is how flimsy this body is. It's definitely the thickness. It's definitely thinner than that of Electrolux. Yeah. So as you can see, this comes with this for you to adjust your volume, and then this part goes straight out to your shower head. But one thing I did notice is there's no button for you to turn the water supply on and off. So you had to rely on your own one, which in this case, the Electrolux ones was better because it came with a plastic one and it's very easy for me to adjust water. But this one, I don't think it's designed for you to adjust water. It's expected for you to like control it over here or something. Yeah. So about the water heat, so it's definitely not as hot as the Electrolux, but it's definitely enough. It comes with safety features, when it's 55 Celsius degree, it will turn off itself, things like that. Also because it will monitor your water pressure and water speed, so as to know how much heat to apply. It comes with this ELB test, very standard thing. So as you can see, if you turn it on, it will let you know. Whereas the Electrolux one, you have to turn it outside and then immediately turn on. But then sometimes it fails, you have to like click the reset button, things like that. So yeah, that's pretty inconvenient. In this case, I would say the waters, in terms of controlling water volume, Electrolux ones was better, but in terms of controlling heat and turning on the unit, this one does the job. Yeah. So yeah, and one unique thing I want to talk about is the shower head. So this shower head comes with this AG Plus technology. Basically what Panasonic is marketing is that this thing protects, reduces bacteria and then prevents yellowish thing appearing on your shower head when you have used it for quite a long time. Yeah. So far it does feel good, but I have to say this shower head is the design is definitely better than that of the Electrolux. I mean, the Electrolux one, you have to spin it, and then sometimes if you spin it, the mode doesn't change completely. There's still some water coming out from the holes that it's not supposed to come out from. But yeah, let me just quickly demonstrate you the shower modes. There's 3 modes, so I have to turn this on. Yeah, so there's this mode where all holes will be spraying water, and then this is one that the outer holes will spray water, and then this is the one that the center hole will spray water. So there's 3 modes here. I like to use this one just because the pressure is higher and then it spreads out. But yeah, but overall, the water heats out not as fast as the Electrolux, but gets the job done. And I like to understand this as a way to, you know, prolong its life. Perhaps I don't know the Panasonic design philosophy. I had an older unit in my old house, and that's still working after 3-4 years. So yeah. But whereas the Electrolux one, the previous one I used, broke down in a year or so. Yeah. One thing to notice is also the power supply comes off from the left side. The Electrolux one came out from the top. So when the technician installed it, he realized that actually the stop wire wasn't long enough, and he had to change it for me. So that's why you see this thing coming out. It's not, doesn't look so nice, but I don't mind, to be honest, because as long as this thing doesn't break, I'm happy, because I need hot water to bath. So much more comfortable. And yeah, the standard thing is, yeah, there's the filter here. You can take it out and clean it, things like that. But yeah, that's about it. Overall, I'm very happy with the unit. The water temperature is good enough. The shower head is a upgrade. And then I hope it lasts long. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop me, you know, your comments in my video down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.